exciting again. Yeah, today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be dividing decimal numbers by whole numbers today. And to do that, we're just going to check out this first sum here. So I've got 13.12 and we're going to divide by 4. So that's probably how you'll see the sum written down. What we're going to do first of all is convert it into a bus stop. So we go 13.12 and the divide by 4 goes there. Now, when you're doing these decimals, the first thing you do is you put the decimal point in your answer bit immediately after, or above the decimal point in the question of the bus stop. So that's the first thing you do before you start doing any numbers. So, you just do the bus stop method as normal now. How many times does 4 go into 1? It doesn't, so we have to move on to 13. How many times does 4 go into 13? It goes 3 times with a remainder of 1. How many times does 4 go into 11? Twice with a remainder of 3. And how many times does 4 go to 32? Exactly 8 with no remainder. Okay, let's just do one more. Now this one, we start off with 0 point something. So when we're dividing, not only can we put our decimal point in here, we can also put a 0 point in, because if you're dividing a number that begins with 0 point, it's going to get smaller and smaller anyway. So we'll have a go here. We've got, how many times does 6 go into 1? None. So we've got to put the 0 here, as we've gone after the decimal point. How many times does 6 go into 16? The answer is twice. And we've got a remainder of 4. And then finally, how many times does 6 go into 42? And the answer is 7. No remainder there. And that's the answer to it. So that is how we do dividing decimals by whole numbers.